Ladies, you asked for it, and of course I listened. Here is the Elegant Stylist Fashion Course. It's my first ever course on fashion and styling. The Elegant Stylist is going to teach you everything you need to know about becoming your own stylist. You know, this is not just some whatever beginner's course. This is suitable both for beginners but also for the ladies who are already advanced with their styling or know what they're doing. This course is to take you to the ultimate level, the level of the elite, the level of elegant women and feminine women. The idea came to me of creating this course actually in 2019 when I did my image consulting training. And I wanted to develop certain of my own methods because after I took that information and applied it to my own skills, I was able to see things from a completely different perspective. And I started to develop certain systems because I wanted to, simplify the styling process, not just for beginner ladies, but also for those who already know styling. Plus, I wanted to develop something where, I get so many questions. Anna, is this elegant? But ladies, I want to teach you a way of thinking, of how evaluate garments so that you become the pro. You don't have to rely on people like me or someone else for opinions. You can decide, is this going to work for me? Is this elegant? Is this expensive looking? And this is what this course is all about. And I know, ladies, that you get loads of information already on my YouTube channel, but the thing is that you are missing out on a lot of technical education that is a complete life changer if you actually learn it. I know that technical education might sound a little bit unattractive, but I did discover after I took my image consulting training is that even if I knew back then how to style myself to a certain degree, I actually didn't know that there were a lot of things I didn't know about style and styling, and that I knew a lot of things that were actually wrong and things that I had to unlearn. So let's say before my training, I would know of, let's say, 10 foolproof items in my wardrobe that I know would make me look amazing and would be flattering on me and basically make me look wow. But I didn't know that there was another world, a bigger world of, let's say, additional 50 other items that would make me look wow too. And I didn't know about these, let's say, 50 items because I didn't have full understanding of how styling works on a technical level, and therefore I was not able to logically and with clarity discover these items. And you see, this is such a common problem for women who are either self-taught in styling or they have already some experience with styling themselves. The problem is that they style themselves from intuition and by doing trial and error. And by luck, they are going to discover a few pieces that are going to look good on them, but they will never discover all of the pieces that will make them look amazing. And that's why it is so important to properly educate yourself on style, because you're going to see what world of new styling opportunities is going to open up for you. If you educate yourself once and for all on style, you're going to save so much money. You're not going to buy any more clothes that are just going to be hanging there in your wardrobe, or clothes that you're never going to wear because, oops, you bought the wrong thing, or you bought something that doesn't work for you. You're not going to have those situations again. So what does this course actually consist of? It's a 5-week intensive training. You get 5 workbooks with each module. During these 5 weeks, we're going to develop your style. We're going to learn how to inspect garments like a pro. You're going to learn once and for all as well how to properly dress for your body type, regardless of your size, shape, height, scale, you name it. This course is for absolutely any body type. You don't have to look like me to make this course work for you. We're also going to go through the financials of how to spend smart, how to do the right investments, how to shop on a budget. We're going to talk so much about how to spend your money right on clothes, because most of us, we don't really know what we're doing sometimes, let's be honest. Or we overspend or we underspend. There are so many issues with spending, and I want you to understand your wardrobe spend and how to do it the right way. And then we're going to go through some trademark systems. We're also going to work with something that I call the energy edit, because I want to teach you some fantastic thing called energetic styling. It's going to make you feel confident in your clothing. It's going to make you feel feminine, elegant, make your dress fun and exciting, and just look your best. And that's going to be the little cherry on the cake that's going to tie your entire outfit together. Oh, but did I tell you can also get bonuses? Fantastic bonuses! One that I'm incredibly proud of is Anna's secret budget shopping strategy, because I'm actually going to give you a massive masterclass step by step showing you how I shop today, how I spend my money, where I shop, and how I find my bargains. Because believe it or not, ladies, I spend less on clothes than you think that I do. And I want you to learn from the pro. Plus, you're also gonna get my massive list of all the brands that I use, fast fashion, mid-range, and premium. But actually, there's gonna be mostly mid-range brands and brands that you don't even know of, but that are high quality brands. And this is a 2022 updated list, so this is fresh, but that's not it, of course. You are also going to get bonuses on color theory, on clothing lines, you're gonna get color palettes, you're gonna get mood boards, you're gonna get checklists. You're also gonna get the Elegant Capsule Collection checklist so that you know what items to buy after this course is over. But then I have a special bonus just for this week. So basically enrollment is currently open, but we are closing the doors any day now. And that is because, ladies, we are starting on the Monday. Yeah, so you only have literally a few days to join and that's it. Then we're closing the doors and I don't know when we're gonna open the doors again, ladies. So for this week only, I have an additional special bonus and I'm basically gonna gather hundreds of product links of items that are NAB approved that you can purchase online, and you will be able to do so on week 5 in June 2022. And this is a bonus that has never been offered before, and this bonus will never be offered again. So now is your chance to grab this bonus, ladies. It's only available this week. All right, so that was a quick run through what the program is all about. But now I'm gonna change outfit. I love this dress so much. Cost as much as a dress at Massimo Dutti or Zara, but the quality is so much better. And that's the thing, ladies, you're gonna learn where to find these bargains. I'm gonna teach you exactly where I got this dress and how and what I looked for. If you are someone and you feel like, you know what, I don't want to try and figure fashion out myself anymore. I trust Anna, I like her style, I like her experience. I love the fact that she has her image consulting training. I want a fast track to take my style to the final level, the level of the elite. Then you are in the right place. Because I want you to really invest in your personal brand. I want you to look your absolute best, but there are scientific reasons on how you can get there, and it's not just by applying a few style tips and tricks. You actually really have to understand the fundamentals of style, but also how it ties together to elegance, to expensive looking style, and to feminine style. And some of you say, well, Anna, I don't look like you. Of course you can make yourself look amazing because of, I don't know, your blonde hair or something. But this is the thing, ladies, is that I want to teach you, look your best with whatever features you have, with whatever size you have, it doesn't matter. Because these techniques are gonna bring out the best in you so that you look like $1 million, so that you look like your most beautiful self. One of the best investments that I made is investing in my own education, because I always get the return on that investment. I could have just gone to a stylist myself, paid her, I don't know, several thousands, because usually that's how much they cost. But then I would always have to go back to these stylists to give me some fashion advice on what to wear. But instead, you can become your own stylist. And I think that long term, that's the best investment you can ever do in yourself, to properly educate yourself on style so that you have that knowledge with you for the rest of your life. You might have some skills already, but that's why I want to take you to the ultimate level, the level of the professionals, the level of the elite. Also, ladies, please note, you don't have to go out now and buy a whole new wardrobe, and neither do you need a lot of clothes to make these strategies work for you. Actually, we're going to reinvent your current wardrobe and work with the pieces that you already have. You're going to see your wardrobe in a completely new way. Plus, it's a way of investing in yourself and something that you wear every day. I mean, that's the problem. We have to get dressed every single day. We don't have a choice. But knowing how you can make it work for yourself every single time, and having to cut out the frustration, the feeling of, you know, oh gosh, I have this wardrobe and I have nothing to wear. you don't have to deal with that anymore. You can learn how to always have something to wear because there's a science behind. But I know that some of you probably feel that, you know what, I'm not interested in the whole fashion thing. I'm just too comfortable in my lifestyle. I have nowhere to wear these clothes anyway. But you know what? What about doing it for yourself so that you can, get out of bed every morning and feel like, wow, I am on top of this world. I feel like I look my best. I feel empowered. I feel confident. I feel energized by my own clothes. Because that's the thing, ladies, clothes, they carry an energy. And it's such a shame not utilizing this tool that can, first of all, make your day feel better, but second of all, also have you succeed with your goals. I keep going back to the better you dress, the better opportunities you get in life. This is a fact because personal branding matters in our society. And I want you to really properly invest in yourself, to learn about style, to really start thinking like a stylist, and to also treat your shopping habits like a stylist would treat them. Not like you trying to wing it and like, okay, I'm just gonna buy something cute in store and I think it's gonna work. This is such a common mistake women make, and that's why they end up with things that they don't wear, or they don't know how to style it, or they get bored of an item after a short amount of time. We have so many beautiful women out there, but unfortunately women don't tap into their fullest potential, and that's what I want you to do. I want you to be the best version of yourself, and style is a massive part of it. This course works for you regardless of your age, and what's good is that even if you do age, you will have this knowledge with you forever, meaning that you can always apply this on you and always know how to look your best regardless of how your life evolves, regardless of how your lifestyle changes, how your body changes. What if you end up in a phase where you have pregnancy going on, or you lose weight, or you gain weight? You will have this knowledge helping you always know how to dress regardless of your current weight, or regardless of your age or your lifestyle. It doesn't matter. And let's say that you're not really interested in having an elegant style per se, or you're not interested in having a feminine style. You know what? It doesn't matter. Of course, there will be certain parts of the course that talks about that, but actually majority of the course is not just about that. It's about universal systems that I have developed that work on any style. So having said all this, ladies, if you want to learn fashion and style properly from me as your teacher, and take part of all my analysis of my experience, of my mistakes, but also on my unique expertise in elegance, in etiquette, in what high value men like and want, and of course in expensive looking fashion and versus cheap fashion, but also feminine styles and elegant styles, then you are in the right place. But please know, ladies, we are starting on Monday and enrollment is only open for a few days, so you only have a few days left to register before it's too late. I don't know when we will open up the program again, so now is your chance. And because we are celebrating the fact that I have just launched the Elegant Stylist, you're gonna get it at a 75% discount, because I just want to celebrate with you and I want you to take part of this unique opportunity. This week, but this week only, you will get the course for $497 US. Click on this link in the description box below to sign up. You simply go to elegantstylist.me, basically elegantstylist.me, and register for this course. But please note, ladies, you only have a few days left. And we are starting on Monday, and I can't wait to see you all on Monday. So come and join us and learn fashion and style properly and take your style to the level of the elite.